program is to let the user enter a letter from A to Z and then show all the countries that start with that letter. When the green flag is clicked, the program resets, explains what it will do, and asks the user to enter a letter. My code works by using a list created in this part to search through my country database. First, the if-else checks whether the answer is a valid letter and whether the answer is only one character long. If it is valid, the program sets the variable letter to the answer and clears my list so it can store all the new results. Then the program goes through each item in my database and uses another if statement to check if the letter of each country matches the user's letter. If it matches, that country is added to my list. After the search, another if statement checks if the length of my list is 0. If it is 0, the program says there are no countries that start with that letter and stops the script. Else, it says, here are the countries that start with that letter, and then it says each country in the list one at a time. If the user does not enter a valid letter, the else part says, sorry, invalid input. If I didn't use a list, I would have to change my program by writing a separate check for every single country. That would make the code much longer and harder to update. Using a list makes the program easier because it can loop through all the countries automatically. And here we can test out the code. It says I will show you all the countries. Enter a letter A through Z. Let's pick F. Then searching, please wait for a few seconds. Here are the countries that start with the F. And then it names all the ones that it has in this list.
Are the countries?
Yep.
What? Are the countries?